Hello everyone. This video is regarding how to submit your answer sheet for your second sessional examination, which will be from 15th June. So first you have to download Google Classroom app by Play Store. So you can see this Google Classroom. After downloading it, you can see this icon on your screen. Then click on it. After clicking on it, you will be able to see the class. Now in this case I can see one class which is actually created by Mayur sir, but in your case you will not able to see any type of class, right? So you will see the blank screen, but at the upper end you can see the plus sign. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see join class and create class. Now being a student, first you have to click on join class. After clicking on it, you have to enter the class code. So each and every student will be provided with the particular class code by a particular teacher for respective subject. Okay, so you have to copy that code and paste here, or else you can write here. So I'm going to join Mayur sir as my student to my classroom. So I am putting the code which is provided by me to him. So the code is 3L CRKUH, right? So this is my class code, and click on join them. Now once you have joined, then you will be able to see the class. Now this class is created for B.Pharm 6th semester biotechnology subject, and you can see the first, that is announcement. Okay, then next you can see two type of question formats here. The first one is biotechnology practical. So this is for how to submit your practical paper, like how to submit your MCQ, right? So it will be scheduled in a time as per your timetable. So right now I have just created for recording purpose. Click on it. Now you can see the attachment here, right? So click on this biotechnology practical attachment. After clicking on it, you will be able to see the Google quiz which is prepared for your practical. So right now I have uploaded here two questions. So what is bacteria? So it is prokaryotic cell. What is the which microorganisms involved in the production of penicillin? So both are involved, so both. Then submit. So you likewise you have to submit all 10 questions, right? You have to solve all 10 questions and you have to submit. And after submission you will be able to see your score also. So you can score, see your score. So you will get whatever. So this is all about the how to submit your practical. It is very easy, this as it is MCQ based, fine. And once you have done it, at the end you will be able to see the option that is turned in. So initially it is assigned, and ultimately as it is automatic process, you have to mention your name here. So I am writing Mayur Kai, as right now I have enrolling him as my student. Just type your name and turned in, fine. So it indicates you have submitted your practical paper to us, and it will be visible to our end, fine. So this is all about your practical examination. Now the next about your theory examination. You can see the new assignment, pharmaceutical biotechnology. We will mention here theory paper, fine. So just click here. Now you can see the attachment, that is question paper we have provided to you. So just click on the question paper and download it. So you will able to see the questions, fine. Then you have to write your answers on a particular page, and then you have to prepare a PDF by using Cam Scanner or Google Lens or Microsoft, any type of app you can use just to convert your photos to your PDF. Fine. Then next is attachment of your theory paper to this classroom. So click on this arrow, which you can see the downward your work were mentioned. Click on this arrow, so you'll be able to see this type of screen. Okay, now click on add attachment. Fine. So after clicking on add attachment, you can see all these files. So now you can see file option is here. Click on file. So after creating PDF, right, your file will be saved to file folder of your mobile. So you can go to the file and the recent option is there. Just click on that particular file. You have to wait till uploading of your file. It will take few time because you will going to upload the PDF, right? So once you have done with it, you can see the turn in option at the end. Okay, you must have to click on turn in option for a confirmed submission of your answer sheet. Just click on turn in and resubmit. Okay, so now your work is submitted and you have done with your submission. So this is what all the process for submission of your practical paper and your theory paper. Thank you so much. If you have any query, you can contact me directly, Neha Raut ma'am or Mayur sir, or you can contact your guardian teacher. Thank you so much. And probably probably today you will receive the class code for all your subjects. Thank you so much.